Coming to the sixth one, right now in this condition that what we are about to be seeing, it is on VP and below HP. The previous case what we have seen was with respect to on VP and above HP, but right now as of the case that what we are about to see, that it is on the VP. It is on the VP and below HP. Let me mark it as reference line over here. This is XY. So with respect to reference line, it is here. So when it is said to be below HP, so it should have its existence either in the third quadrant or in the fourth quadrant. But the existence of the point, is about to be in both quadrants. It is in the third quadrant and it is about to be in the fourth quadrant. As per the condition that what I have said to you, that when a point is existing in two quadrants, the first preceding quadrant is about to be given preference. So the point, instead of taking it into fourth quadrant, we are about to take it in the third quadrant. So as per the thing that we are about to consider the third quadrant, making the horizontal plane to rotate above. So when it rotates, it comes and join with the vertical plane, and therefore representing its presentation over here by drawing the XY line is XY line. The above it will be horizontal plane, the below it will be the vertical plane. Now let me go ahead for its representation. So when a point is about to be seen over here, the point over here only it comes A dash, and that is when we see it from front view. And when it is seen from the top view, the point exists on the XY line where we mark it as A. So where it is about to be said that it has its existence on the XY line. With respect to it, now we are about to go ahead for drawing the two-dimensional presentation here. So the thing is that when it is seen from the front view, it is on the vertical plane at a distance of 40 mm below HP. So that one we are about to draw. Draw the locus line, mark the dimensions. This is at a distance of 40, at a distance of 10 mm. Look at the point. This one, mark the point as A dash and draw the projection of the top view from the front view. So where it touches here, mark the point as A. So this is what about the sixth consideration.